Hello guys, welcome to Software Design. Today we want to teach you how we achieve this design, and this is an ID card design for a company. And then before you start this, you see your units. This is inches, and then we are using inches. Make sure it is on 2 by 2.5 and then 3.5. Then this is one of the standard measurements for ID card design. And then let's dive in straight. Go to your rectangle here, then click on it, drag down to this point, then readjust for it to fit the artboard basically, and then see from here, press P to ensure that it's centralized properly. And then from here, let's start. Then draw another rectangle per se, and then come in, then right click and carry it in. When it turns to this cross-like cycle, then drop it, then click on power click like this, double clicking to go find it. And then first of all, we want to achieve this circular curve down here. We want to achieve this circular curve. So for us to achieve that, let's try to double click in, select the rectangle inside. For instance, let's give it a circle like this, and then we'll drag the edges. I want the edges to be circular, so a certain point. And then let's see, we'll try as much as possible to we'll draw a circle like that. And then from here, let's give it white. And then from here, select this white and select this, and then trim from here. Then from here, we'll have a kind of a circular way. Let's double click to see how it looks. Double click. I want to see how it looks. Then we're trying to form that particular shape. Yeah. Yes, we're trying to form that shape, achieve something. Then from here, it's not perfect, but we achieved something in that order. And then we'll drag this like this, and then let's remove the outline in, and then press enter. So for instance, this was our aim we try to achieve. And then let's remove the outside outline. Then from here, we can reduce in. First click on it, and then we can fit in our picture here. For instance, let's cut this and bring it out of it. And then from here, we can copy our image and then bring it in. This is our image, which I always use I like using my own image for this design, and drag in, copy and drop in like this, drop. Then from here, we'll change this. We'll have to change the outer outline to a more lighter color. Then the inside will remain deeper, a deeper color. And then from here, surname is surname, but basically let's put our full name. Let's say, for instance, Godwin Akpa. Then from here, our basic font we're going to use, I don't know, I like Montserrat. Most designers will say Montserrat. We have used this Montserrat so much. Then using Montserrat so much is too much. All right, a creative director. Let's reduce it. You can scale it up. Select all, and press center. Select the main, press center for it to align. And then the company name is Soft Touch Designs, for instance. Soft Touch Designs. So Soft Touch Designs, we are still using Montserrat for a consistency. We want to achieve a consistent flow in this design pattern. And then the other remaining informations, here's a QR code section. And then for the QR code, we can generate a QR code from any online platform and bring it in, or because the QR code is meant to contain the informations. So right here, let's look for a white background, for instance. And then the white background, we can still get it from Pinterest. I love Pinterest so much. Then you can come to Pinterest. It's faster, very efficient. And then a light background, light white background. Click enter, and then boom, we have numerous white backgrounds, and then it opens immediately. And then you select any one of your choice, any beautiful background of your choice. Yes, let's wait for it. I think the network is slow. Click here, and then it shows the drop down section for you. And then from here, you click on download, and then immediately as downloaded, then we can now copy our white background and take it back to our project. And then double click here to see the power click, and then paste in, adjust to scale it. Then there is a rectangle behind. You can press shift page down on your keyboard, then you can achieve this. And then you see how beautiful it's looking from here. Then for us to achieve this, for you to achieve this from this section, let me illustrate this and this. You see, let's use this. Then we can now go ahead to erase. Let me erase it. From here, double click in. You can create it by and drag it in like this. Then try to trim it. Then from this trimming, we can make some adjustments to this point for you to achieve that kind of section. And then let's delete this, and then we can give it a color. And this color, we can give it, let's say, something that is quite similar to it. Remove it, come to this side, drop it, then change or mirror the size for it to, and then we'll have something similar to that. Let's try to scale it better to look very, very similar. All right, so right now what's remaining is okay. Then you can actually change how the line is, and then the barcode or the QR code from this section. The QR code will come from any generated software. For instance, let's find a QR code generator, which I have a video on how to generate a QR code using Affinity. So if you want to check that on how to generate a QR code, which you add here. Very simple. So for now, we have completed the front, and then let's dive straight to the back cover. Then select this, and then let's duplicate it, then remove this section, remove it. Then can bring it down and then take it up a bit. You can now drag it. You see, try to drag it a bit. Try to drag it to form. So now what's remaining here is just for you to type the remaining details as I have done, and then demarcate them respectively. So thank you. We don't want this video to be so long. We'll see you in our next tutorial, and if you have any comments, please drop in the comment section. Let's see. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.